Okay, nice. So first we need to install this Mamp. It's for the database. You say yes. We don't really need this, but yeah, whatever. Next, I accept. Next, I yeah, use this. Next. Oh wait. Um, there shouldn't be anything like those two. I forgot to delete. Yeah, okay, now we can keep continuing. Next, click browse if you want to select a different folder. Create a desktop icon, install. And then it installs the Mamp. After this is finished, yeah, well, you need to, of course, clone our project, then go to source. In the main Java database, we're gonna need this to start the database, and we will need this server, this, and then in GUI this. So this creates the database, because in your computer you don't have the database, the main of it, just this statement, create DB. We're just gonna do this, and then in the server, same, the whole server. This starts the server, and then we're gonna start the GUI. Please wait while setup. Okay. This Mamp can also sometimes crash, and I hope now it will crash. So after you open it, it should say, it should turn this and this to green. This is green, this is green too, so now it works. But sometimes it doesn't work, and I will show how to fix that too, but whatever. For now, after doing installed, you see those two. Go to preferences, from here to preferences, then ports, and this MySQL port to 4x4, 4444, and then OK. And it restarts the thing. So we need both of those to turn green. Yeah. So now our database is here. So we'll just, by the way, this needs to be running. So we'll just go to here, first start the database, create the database, run. So this just created the database, okay. Now we need to start the server, run. This takes time because of the fact that we take the data from the website at the beginning of the server, so that it doesn't lag in the user. We wait. Okay, after we see the connected, those two connected things, now we can go to start. In GUI start, this just starts the GUI, and then we have yeah, and then the app. Oh, sorry, don't have an account. Sign up, and then you get in the app, and then you can, from now on, you can test the app. Yeah. But I want to show you something more. One more thing. Sometimes this Mamp doesn't work. Like, you see the app cache server is green, but this is not green. And in like when you see that, there's a proper way to get rid of it, but I mean, it doesn't matter. This is easier. Uninstall the program. Mamp. Oops, wait. Mamp. Uninstall. Yeah, you just basically please delete all my data too. But once it's running, it doesn't crash. But sometimes when you try to start it, it crashes. So it's not a big deal. I mean, it may occur. I don't know if it will occur, but in any case, after you delete from here, don't forget to go to here, local C, and delete those two too. Because if you don't do this, then it won't work. Then after that, you just try to install. You just install Mamp again. Okay. Yeah, you know the procedure. Yeah, but don't forget to delete the C in the C file the Mamp after if it doesn't work. I mean, it will probably work, but you never know. Yeah, okay.